What would I like to change, if anything, and why? I'd like to change my physical figure in order to have a physical fit body and healthy mind. What is going on in my life that would facilitate behavior change and inhibit it? I think joining Zumba helps a lot during weekends. Where I am, where am I now in my physical activity level? I think I am in a very light activity. Have I tried regular exercise before and failed to stick with it? Yes. Currently, what do I estimate my potential to stick with an exercise program to be? I think I've achieved the fit body. What unmet person needs I'm thinking of attempting to meet? I think boosting my self-esteem. What is it about my body and mind that I am unhappy with that could be positively affected by exercising regularly? Achieving a nice and a healthy body.